A little smoke under a broken sky. Street lights flicker like your goodbye. You walked away, no sound, no cry, just silence like a final lie. Rain hit my skin like shattered glass, but it spoke the truth your mouth never had. Rain came down like a war cry, flooded my veins, screamed goodbye. Every drop ripped through the chains, then healed the ghost inside my veins. The rain burned my pain away, no sorry, no rewind. You left me to the fire, now I rise unkind. On these streets where angels choke, I screamed your name through blood and smoke. Thought I'd drown in what we were, but hell built me into who I prefer. My guitar screams like my soul did, but now it sings, no longer begs or bleeds. Rain fell hard like vengeance pure, washed away what I couldn't endure. It never lied, never betrayed, unlike the love you threw away. The rain burned my pain away with thunder as my last goodbye. I howled to the storm, let the old me die. Maybe I had to break apart to find the fire inside my heart. Now I see you were the wound, but not the cure for me.